बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे जनवरी 7 2024 के अखबार में। करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी डायनेमिक एमर्जिंग IT companies looking to fill up positions in a technologically challenging environment। सीरियल नंबर 1 जॉब टाइटल चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर CEO। रिक्वायरमेंट्स है बैचलर/मास्टर्स और हायर डिग्री इन IT/engineering/management with 15 years experience in IT industry, at least 5 years exposure to hold a senior level position। Scope: develop and execute a strategic vision for IT company focusing on product portfolio expansions, revenue growth and innovation। सीरियल नंबर 2 चीफ कमर्शियल ऑफिसर CCO। रिक्वायरमेंट्स बैचलर्स और मास्टर्स डिग्री इन बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन/मार्केटिंग/इंजीनियरिंग/IT और इन रेलिवेंट फील्ड विद प्रोवन एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 10 years, मिनिमम 5 years exposure in a senior leadership role driving revenue growth in a commercial setting within IT sector। Scope: identify new market opportunities, leading commercial strategies and optimize customer engagement focusing on business growth। Engage with external technology partners, vendors and experts to facilitate the knowledge sharing and identify potential collaborations for mutual benefits। नंबर 3 चीफ टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफिसर ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है CTO। बैचलर/मास्टर्स और हायर डिग्री in computer science/information technology/engineering with 10 years experience in IT sector, must possess a senior leadership role, minimum of 5 years। Scope: explore opportunities for innovation and technological advancements that can increase productivity, efficiency and competitiveness। Explore latest research evolutions, identify opportunities for innovation and technological advancements, expertise across IT software architecture, data and cyber security domains। Significant attributes for potential candidates: oversee the development and execution of IT policies, procedures and guidelines to ensure compliance, security and data protection, stay up to date on emerging trends, industry developments and new opportunities to drive innovation and ensure the organization remains at the forefront of technology। Identify and evaluate potential business opportunities, partnerships and acquisitions to drive growth and enhance the company's competitive advantage to get the brand image recognized in local/global IT markets for an emerging company। Company offers market-based competitive perks। To apply online and for detailed job description visit www.careerjobs1737.com। Interested candidates meeting the criteria with relevant qualification and experience are encouraged to apply within 15 days of publication of this advertisement। Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test/interview for which no TA/DA shall be admissible। अच्छा जी, ये इंडस रिवर सिस्टम अथॉरिटी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान की जॉब है। सिचुएशन वैकेंट। इंडस रिवर सिस्टम अथॉरिटी IRSA intends to appoint on merit basis the following project: staff under Indus Basin Irrigation System टेलीमेट्री प्रोजेक्ट। सीरियल नंबर 1 पोजीशन सब इंजीनियर ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है इलेक्ट्रिकल/इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ब्रैकेट क्लोज PPS 5, नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट 1। क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस 3 years डिप्लोमा ऑफ एसोसिएट इंजीनियरिंग ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है DAE इन इलेक्ट्रिकल/इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स टेक्नोलॉजी फ्रॉम एन रिकग्नाइज्ड इंस्टीट्यूशन possessing at least 5 years relevant experience of installation/operation and maintenance of monitoring, control and data acquisition system, proficiency in use of MS Word/Excel at any latest related of software is required। सीरियल नंबर 1 दोबारा सीरियल नंबर 2 होगा ना। सब इंजीनियर ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है सिविल, दूसरे ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है PPS 5। नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट 1। सब इंजीनियर सिविल के लिए क्वालिफिकेशन and experience 3 years diploma of associate engineering DAE in civil technology from a recognized institution possessing at least 5 years relevant experience of regulation/flow monitoring and operation of irrigation system, proficiency in use of MS Word/Excel and any latest related software is required. Terms and conditions 1. Salary PPS 5 will be admissible as per standard pay package for the project staff as per finance division ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है रेगुलेशन विंग OM नंबर 49R14/2008 dated 18th April 2022. Travelling allowance/daily allowance ETC will be admissible equivalent to BPS 14. Conveyance for pick and drop/local use will not be provided. The contract appointment will be made on merit basis initially for a period of 1 year which is extendable. Age limit will be up to 35 years. General instructions. Applications serving in government/semi-government departments or autonomous bodies are required to apply through proper channel along with NOC of their respective department. Advance copies will not be acceptable. Incomplete applications and those received after due date will not be entertained. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test/interview. Application along with detailed CVs with the attested copies of testimonials ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है एजुकेशन एक्सपीरियंस डोमिसाइल एंड CNIC should reach in the office of the undersigned by 23rd January 2024. The advertisement for hiring of sub-engineers is also available on the website of IRSA www.parkirsa.gov.pk. No TA/TA will be admissible to the candidates and when called for test/interview. Mohammad Khalid Idris Rana, Secretary, Indus River System Authority, 35 Movi area. G for ground, G10/4 Islamabad. Phone number 0519191081010. 05191081010 and 10 fax number 05191080007 05191080007। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।